Today, I'm going to teach you how to remove people from a Zoom meeting. This is particularly useful if you're hosting a meeting and need to manage who stays in the room, whether that's dealing with unwanted guests or simply managing your participant list more effectively. First, you'll need to open your Zoom app and sign in with your credentials. Make sure you're using the account that has host privileges for the meeting you want to manage. This step is crucial because only hosts and co-hosts have the ability to remove participants from an active meeting. Once you're logged in, go ahead and join the meeting where you need to manage participants. You can do this by clicking on the meeting link or selecting the scheduled meeting from your Zoom dashboard. Wait for the meeting to fully load and for you to be connected with the other participants. Now that you're in the meeting, look for the Participants button. You'll typically find this at the bottom of your screen in the Meeting Controls toolbar. It's usually labeled clearly as Participants and sits alongside other options like Mute, Video, and Share Screen. Click on this button to open the Participants panel. When you click on Participants, a sidebar will appear showing you a complete list of everyone currently in the meeting. This panel gives you a clear overview of all attendees, making it easy to identify who you need to remove. Take a moment to locate the specific person you want to remove from the meeting. Here's where you'll take action. Hover your cursor over the name of the participant you want to remove. When you do this, you'll notice that additional options appear next to their name. Look for the three dotted line icon that appears beside the participant's name. This icon represents more options and controls for managing that specific participant. Click on those three dots to reveal a drop-down menu with several options. Among these options, you'll see Remove. Go ahead and click on Remove. This is the command that will initiate the removal process for that participant. After you click Remove, Zoom will display a confirmation pop. This is a safety measure to ensure you don't accidentally remove someone from the meeting. The pop will ask you to confirm that you want to remove this participant. Simply click on Remove again in this confirmation dialog to finalize the action. And that's it. The participant will be immediately removed from your Zoom meeting and won't be able to rejoin unless you specifically allow them back in. This gives you complete control over who remains in your meeting space. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.